Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off Gemini on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is simply launch open Gemini application. You can see over here Gemini application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like upgrade to Google AI Pro, Gemini apps activity, saved info, apps, etc. Simply tap on the second option, that is Gemini apps activity. Now wait for a while and you'll be redirected to the browser. You can see over here, you'll be able to see the Gemini apps activity over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for turn off selected. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, turn off and delete activity. If you want to delete the activity, you can tap on the second option. But if you only want to turn off the Gemini activity, simply tap on this option, turn off. Now wait for a while. Tap on the option got it. Now your Gemini app activity will be turned off. You'll be able to turn it on anytime you want. Likewise, if you want to turn off Gemini, you can also uninstall this application. In order to do that, what you have to do is open the app library of your device, find the application for Gemini and long press on it. Now tap on the option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for uninstall and tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now you can see over here Gemini will be installed. Now Gemini will be turned off on Android. So these are the ways to turn off Gemini on Android. So that is how you turn off Gemini on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.